Basketball, you betcha I'm back and I'm ready to go once again. You know, there's no stopping me. We gotta get you where you wanna be. All right. It's the Daily Trainer. So happy to be here with you again. Remember, this is the week of AI and we're trying everything that AI has to offer. So we want to see if it can increase our game, and does it match with what we've been telling you, or are there some different things that we don't have that we need to add to the workout? I'm all for it. Please help us, AI. That's what we want. Basketball U, we're getting ready to go, so let's do it. So today we're looking at dribbling and dribbling moves with AI, okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to warm up for a couple minutes based on what the AI is saying, and it's going to say begin with light jogging or jumping jacks to get your body warmed up. Sound familiar? So let's be sure to do that. And remember, this dynamic warm-up is going to be 3 minutes long. Okay, so you're going to perform dynamic stretches focusing on your arms, possibly your wrist, and a little bit of your lower body. So that would be all the stretches that we have, right? We got squats, we got lunges, we got jumping jacks, we got our arm stretches, all those different things. So that's what you will be doing to start your warm-up before we get into what they want us to do. So our next thing, once the warm-up has been completed, we got stationary dribbling drills, okay? They want you to do this for 5 minutes, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to start with stationary ball handling drills to work on your dribbling technique, okay? What we have here is pound dribbles. Dribble the ball forcefully using both hands simultaneously. Okay, so at different times you will be pounding that basketball. Doesn't say a particular height, so you choose what height you would want based on what AI has provided for us. Then you have alternating dribbles. Dribble the ball alternating between your right and your left hand. So you'll give it a pound, switch it over, give it a pound, switch it over. Okay, so that's kind of what you'll be doing based on what AI is telling us here. And looking at the time frame of how many drills they give us, you want to make sure you do roughly around, I'd say 45 seconds each dribbling drill that they're asking us to do. Okay, then you're going to pound dribble through the legs, alternating that, okay, which is similar to what a figure 8 dribble would be for you. Okay, and then you're going to use your crossover dribbles, and they want you to perform this quick and crossover low. All right, and again, it's roughly about 45 seconds of what you're going to do for each dribbling to kind of amount to that 5-minute mark. All right, if you're a little winded after doing this, please go have a drink of water, and we're gonna get right back to this training. And right now they got us on the right path. Hopefully we do too. Now AI would like us to do on the move dribbling drills. Okay, so these drills are going to involve moving while maintaining control of the ball, similar to what we do, right? So what we're going to do is they're going to have us have a 2-ball dribble. Wow, it's like we're right on the same page. I love it. Dribble 2 basketballs simultaneously while moving up and down the court. So again, simultaneously, we're going to have it like that shotgun dribble where it's like boom, 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 instead of the same rhythm dribble that you're used to seeing. So we will go up and down with that, doing that roughly for 30 seconds and resting for 10 seconds in between each dribbling drill. That is what AI says to do and how to perform it. Then we have the zigzag dribble. Okay, they want us to set up cones, but we do have markers in a zigzag pattern, and you can dribble through those while maintaining the control and speed. Okay, so we'll do our zigzag drill. What we're going to do in our zigzag drills, all the dribbles that we already have for you. We'll do the crossover, we'll go through the legs, and then we'll go behind the back. Okay, and again, 30 seconds of that, so try to do it continuously for 30 seconds and then take that 10-second break. That's going to be a little tiring, so good luck to you on that. Then they want us to do between the legs, so dribble the ball between your legs while moving forward or backward. Okay, so again, you're going to go straight up and down the court going through your legs. All right, when they say between the legs, they don't mean alternating. They want you to kind of go through the legs and back, through the legs and back. Okay, so that'll be a good dribbling drill for you as well, which we have here. Basketball U already provided for you on video. And then we have behind the back dribble, where you will perform quick behind the back dribbles while moving laterally. So it'll be the same concept of moving up and down the floor behind your back, or even the zigzag behind the back. So whichever one you choose to really emphasize on, you can either repeat that behind the back dribble, or you can do the zigzag even more. Remember that the rep is going to be 30 seconds and the rest is going to be 10 seconds in between each drill. So there you go, Basketball U. That is another great example of being on the right track. So happy about that. Now we have speed and agility dribbling, and these drills focus on developing quickness and agility while dribbling. So perform each drill for 30 seconds and then rest for 10. So the first one is going to be dribble and sprint. So dribble the ball while sprinting up and down the court. That'll be our full court dribbling drill that we do. Now you can alternate the dribble or keep the ball in the same hand, whichever you prefer. All good for me. I just want you to get in shape and really work hard going up and down the court. Change of direction, dribble that ball at a high speed and change direction quickly using a crossover between the legs or behind the back moves. That would be our lateral dribble move to the elbow, where we go lay the ball up. So I'll have you lay it up just because we have it on video already, and that's when you're going to work your crossover, moving laterally and changing direction, as well as go through the legs and go behind the back. Remember, you're going to do it for 30 seconds, so you can alternate through each move, or you can keep the same move through the pace that you want to go to. Now we have another one called circle dribble, where you set up cones in a circular pattern and dribble the ball around them while maintaining speed and control. Now this would be something that we would do around half court, and I'm definitely going to put that on video. This is a cool drill, but let's use our perimeter dribbling drill where we run around the 3-point line and then come back. Okay, so that is like a half circle, and then you're going around again, which is making a full circle. So we'll use that drill. So again, Basketball U, we're on the right page. I really am excited about everything that AI is telling us, because it lets me know that we're on the right path. Grab some water, put it down, and then we're going to get right back to it. Okay, they want us to do game-like dribbling scenarios, but this is only going to be 2 minutes of the drill, and you're going to simulate game situations to enhance your dribbling in pressure situations. So you can set up cones or defenders to create obstacles and focus on dribbling through or around them while maintaining control. And that's what we do with our cone drills. We put those cones in front of you so that you can get around them in regards to the wave dribble drill, or just the drills where we are dribbling through the cones, the 3 cones where we're kind of zigzagging, not the one from the baseline where we come from the top and we're going through the cones and we finish the layup. Okay, so we'll do those drills for 2 minutes. You can choose either the wave or you can choose the zigzag. And that is definitely everything that it says here for dribbling. And then now we do the cool down and visualization. And our cool down will be, again, stretching our arms, relaxing, and just, we can do the 1-hop square jumps where we are burning up those calves a little bit and working the ankle stability. And that will be our cool down for the day, even though it hurts. That's a little bit of our extra work. Let's do 10 sets of 10 for each leg. And that's it, Basketball U. I think this was another great workout provided by AI and Basketball U together. Might have to make a combination or a tag team together, figure out how to really make us super basketball athletes off of this. But no, I'm just glad we have all the video already provided for the workouts that they want you to do. Okay, and once again, Basketball U, I can't thank you enough for coming by. It's the Daily Trainer. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and then tell anybody who wants to train with Basketball U or even AI this week. All right, but remember this: someone's always working. Are you?